Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Today in this video, we are going to repair the LED TV that came to us with a standby red light blinking fault. As we discussed in our previous videos, Toshiba, VU, and Hisense LED TVs often indicate a backlight failure when the standby red light continuously blinks. In most cases, this protection mode is triggered when one or more LED backlight strips become faulty. First, we open the TV and check the LED backlight strips using an LED backlight tester. Only one strip is working properly, while the other two strips have failed completely. Whenever multiple backlight strips are faulty, it is always recommended to replace the entire set of backlights rather than replacing only the damaged strips. This helps avoid repeated failures and ensures uniform brightness across the screen.